What is up, y'all? It's Peaches. Welcome back to my channel. We back with another video. Okay, we're gonna hop right in. I recently just bought this Melodysusie e-file. I received it on Saturday. Today is Monday, and child, we ready to go. Okay, I am gonna have a lot of clips of real life usage because I used it right away. So please watch the whole video to see actual clips of me using the e-file. Okay, so this is how it comes. Inside, you will find a couple of pamphlets. You will find, of course, the body of the e-file itself. You will find the handpiece, a foot pedal, some drill bits, and some sanding bands. Basically, you know, all the parts that come with the e-file. Okay, so I was really taken aback by how small the body of the actual drill is. I personally like my drill to have an actual physical body piece. I really don't like drills that hang to your hip or anything like that. I tried it once, sent it right the hell back to Amazon. Okay, now watch when I compare my drill to this one. Y'all, I thought my drill was small. Baby, it do not even compare to this Melodysusie. Okay, it's quiet, it's lightweight, you guys. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of real footage of me using it, not only for prep and for sealing the cuticles, but also for removing acrylic as well. So this is the drill that I previously had, and I'm gonna show you, compare and contrast. Like, the handpiece is so much more streamlined, it's comfortable. I'm not going to talk through this whole video because, like I said, I will have real clips, and I do want to make sure that you guys hear everything within those clips. Just know I am thoroughly impressed. So far, I thoroughly recommend. The controls are super easy. It has an on-off push to start, goes all the way up to 30,000 RPM, and on the back has the plug as well as forward and reverse. This is nice. I had to switch my old one out because, girl, it would make my hand hurt too much. That thing was making all type of weird sounds and things. I'm like, I remember I had one while I was in nail school. It was only $20. And by the end, the lowest speed, girl, it must have sounded like so out of control. It sounded like a car exploding. And I'm like, I cannot put this on people's heads. So I was like, I don't need no flashbacks. I don't need to get sued. Let me just get another one. Cause I'm damn cheap. What do it feel like? Do it feel regular?
No, it feels smooth.
It feels smooth? Mm-hmm. Okay. Y'all heard that. She said it feels smooth. The other one was like, I think she was just overworked because you can see how easy it just, ooh, I'm just so excited.
But someone gave it to you? Or?
No, girl, I bought it.
Oh, okay.
I bought it, but like.
Who's overworked?
The drill I had.
Oh. That's what I was like, wait,
no.
Like somebody didn't like it and they gave it to you?
No, I bought that like 2 years ago. You're funny. But I'm like, oh, doing this part, my hands would be so damn sore. Because I feel like it just wouldn't, it didn't have no real power to it no more.
Oh, right, yeah.
Honestly.
Yeah, I like how the little thing expanded before it.
Girl, me too. Because I was like, I don't know what to do. You know, I'm cheap because the damn thing only cost about $54. And just that whole time, I was like, I do not want to spend
Exactly. Knowing dang well a meal is like $54.
Yeah. And I even think I got a little 4% coupon on Amazon for it too. So I'm really juiced up. Ooh, it just takes this acrylic away. And this is not even how like high it can go. I'm just like, I'm just scared. Let me see.
Don't let me see the test dummy.
Alright, so we've come to the end of the video. We know about the Melodysusie. It comes in black, white, And pink, it is in the $50 to $55 range. I hope this video helped y'all to see whether or not you want to spend your little coin. Okay, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll see y'all in the next one.